Hi everyone, I'm Professor Ben Aldrich, and I would like to take a few minutes to show you through the syllabus for Music 106, learning about music, and show you a little bit about navigating the D2L site as well. So the syllabus begins with the learning objectives for the course. Those are right here. I'm not going to bother reading them all off for you, but you can look through this and see what we're going to work towards as we go through this second half of the term. So as you see, there are just 17 class days, so the work is somewhat compressed. I call these working days, despite the fact that our working time together is relatively short. I think that this course should not be too challenging for you if you work steadily. Part of the appreciation of music that I hope you'll take away from the class is the value of working steadily and being self-motivated. Those are two very important aspects of the class. You'll see that there's a little information here about deadlines for the class. Most of the assignments have fairly short time deadlines to encourage you to work steadily as we go along. So you're going to use the D2L site for the course. You'll find all of the work there. I'm going to come back and show you around that site in a few minutes. This class has an online textbook. Here's the title. You can just go to this link and it will take you to the textbook website where you can purchase access to the text and all of the materials that come with it. There are exercises that help you learn about various types of music from different time periods in different countries. There will be questions for you to answer as well. So, a little bit about the D2L site. I will come back to this and we will work our way through the content area of the D2L site in a few minutes. There will be 5 tests of various kinds during this short term. The first one will be a quiz on this document, on the syllabus. That will enforce you my being sure that you know everything that's in here, because there's some aspects of the course that are a little unusual. But you'll have unlimited attempts to answer the syllabus quiz questions correctly. That will also be the case for the textbook homeworks. You'll have unlimited attempts to answer all of the questions correctly, because I'm interested in you understanding the syllabus well, and obviously interested in you being very familiar with the text material. There will be tests every so often. They will all be, the syllabus quiz and all of the tests will be multiple choice questions. You will take them all online, and it is connected to D2L in such a way that your grades will go directly into the gradebook. There's information here about exactly when the tests will be available to you and about what the tests will cover, specifically what they'll cover as well. The way this class works is you will receive points for doing work of 4 different types. Those are written work, which will relate to daily presentations. You'll see there are 11 of those, fairly simple, basic assignments that are basically you listening to music and describing what you're hearing. They're directed listening assignments. Another way to build points is doing the textbook homeworks. The tests are obviously a third one. And the fourth way that you can build points in earning your grade in this class is by writing reports on special topics. This aspect of the class is a little bit different than the others in that the first of these 10 topics is required. The others are not required. It'll be up to you how many and which ones you write about. But you'll need to do 4 or 5 of these to build enough points to get a good grade, an A or a B in the class. This ties in with the business of musicians being self-motivated. You will have to make your own decisions about which one of these to do. Now, the way this is going to work is you build your points for all of these various 4 types of assignments, and at the end of the term, the total of points that you have will relate to letter grade levels according to this table. You can always refer to this, and I will show you where you will be able to check your grade points on the D2L site in just a second. Just remember once again that the work is somewhat compressed, but as is the case probably with all your classes, but especially with this class, if you work steadily, if you stay with it, I think you'll find this a very easy class to do well in. All right. Now, taking a look at the D2L site for the class, this is the content area. If you want to check your grades at any time, you just click on this and you will see your grades for each of the assignments and your point total, running point total. You can do that at any time. Now, there are different folders holding all the documents related to the class. Course documents, this one, if you click on this one, let's see here. Maybe I need to double click. There we go. The syllabus is there. A guide for describing music. I'm going to bring that up for just a second. You'll see at the beginning of the class I talk about 6 basic elements of music. They're all here with some subtitles that should help you organize the way that you listen to music and think about it. It'll be good to have this, maybe print this out and refer to it as you listen to the various musical things that come along. Let's see, going back. Guide for describing music. The report writing, this is a document explaining how to do that. And here is a little bit of information about the first test, just so that there's no confusion about you taking a test online. I expect many of you have done that before, but it's all spelled out quite clearly right here. To purchase access to the textbook, you go here and just click on this link. It will take you to the site and follow the prompts. You will be able to get into the textbook right away. Some of this material is already posted online. You can get a head start on things if you like. The homework assignments are here. You will do each of these. They will come online. You'll see this one is going to come on at the end of the week. There are times when you'll work in the textbook. There are times when you will work on these assignments out of the textbook. There are other times when the two will come together. Each day at class time, which is 10 a.m., Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, it's asynchronous. You can log on anytime you want, but this information will become available to you each day at class time. All right? So, daily activities. There's an activity for each of the days going forward. All right? Back to content once more. Special topics are here. They are timed to go along with the work that we're doing in the course. 2 of them will be released each week, and you'll have 1 week to do these assignments. That's all very clearly spelled out in each one of them. And then when you're going to take the tests, you come to this folder, the test folder. There they all are. Just click on the syllabus quiz. This is available now. Questions will come up, and you can get right into it. So there you have a basic introduction to Music 106, learning about music. If you have any questions, you can email me at any time. My email address is in the syllabus. It's my last name, Aldridge, A-L-D-R-I-D-G-E, my first initial B, Aldridge B, at heartreach.edu. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have, and I look forward to getting to work with you very soon. Thanks very much.